Hey guys, welcome back to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. Today we are showing you how we make our stuffed peppers with a Caribbean twist. So in today's video, we're doing something a little different. We're going to be showing you how we prepare our peppers and how we decided to stuff them. So I began preparing my peppers by slicing the top and removing the cores from the peppers, and then gave them a rinse. If you want to cover your peppers once you've stuffed them, you can set your tops aside. A fun fact for you all is that my birthday is on New Year's Day, and to celebrate another year around the sun, I gathered all my family and friends together. We ate good food and drank till our hearts were content. One of the dishes that was served at my birthday was the stuffed peppers, and they went down a treat. So I thought I'll bring the idea to our YouTube family. So next time you're catering, whether it's for friends, family, or associate, you can provide a new and tasty experience that your guest will love. After I was done rinsing my peppers, I brushed them over with my infused oil that is made up of olive oil, rosemary, garlic, peppers, and some pimento seeds. With such simple and quick preparation, stuffed peppers make the perfect and delicious dish when catering for guests. I brushed my oven tray with my infused oil. This also helped the peppers to not stick to the tray. I brushed the oil on the inside, the outside, and also on the tops that I will use for lids. This just added a nice touch to the flavor of the peppers. Now that I've brushed on my oil, I'm going to put my peppers in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Whilst the peppers were in the oven, I gathered the food I cooked earlier to stuff them with. I decided to stuff my peppers with all our favorite Caribbean dishes. I cooked some curry goat, rice and peas, brown stewed chicken, some pumpkin and white rice, and also fried minute escovitch fish using cod. Once I took my peppers out the oven, this is what they looked like, and then I went on to add my fillings. The recipes for our curry goat and brown stewed chicken is on our YouTube channel. We'll add the link to those videos in the description box below. Our escovitch fish recipe is coming up in time for Easter, and our pumpkin rice will be up next, so keep a lookout for those recipes coming up soon. We hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you do try this idea, please let us know in the comments. We would love to know how they turned out.